Good morning, everyone. Hope you all safe with a good health. With you, Ms. Dina Al-Badri, science teacher for BSc. Today, we will talk about measuring temperature. The tools for measuring the temperatures. We talked last time about the tool for measuring temperature is the thermometer. So, the thermometer has a scale of number and units. When you read the thermometer scale, you read the temperature. What is the meaning of the temperature? Yes, the average of kinetic energy of particles. Okay, thermometer can have different scale, and the temperature you see depends on which scale is used. So we have three scales to measure the temperature: Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. In the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale, temperature is measured in units called degree. So what is the meaning of the word degrees? Are equally spaces, units between 2 points. The space between 2 degrees can vary from one scale to another. Okay, in the Kelvin scale, no degree sign is used. So, in this lesson, we will compare actually between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Okay, in the Kelvin scale, no degree sign is used. The unit is just called Kelvin. In the Fahrenheit scale, is the most common temperature scale. This scale is divided into degrees. On this scale, water freezes at 32 and boils at 212. The temperature scale used in most of the world is the Celsius scale. The Celsius scale is divided into degrees also, which are larger units than Fahrenheit scale. On this scale, Celsius scale, water freezes at 0 and boils at 100. So, the temperature scale commonly used in the physics is Kelvin. Units on this scale are called Kelvin and are the same size as Celsius. On the Kelvin scale, water freezes at 273 and boil at 373. But on Celsius scale, the water freezes at 0 and boil at 100 degrees. So we have experiments that have led the scientists to conclude that minus 273 degrees Celsius is the lowest temperature possible. So the lowest temperature possible is minus 273 degrees Celsius. No more thermal energy can be removed from matter at this temperature. So the so we have no degree for minus 1000. No, minus 273 is the lowest one. 0 on the Kelvin scale represent minus 273 degrees Celsius. Okay, and we call this degree absolute zero. So this scale, the difference between Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin, did you see here? Yes. The freezing point of water in Fahrenheit is 32, okay, but the boiling point of water is 212. In Celsius, the freezing point is 0 and boiling point is 100. In Kelvin, yes, the freezing point is 273 and the boiling point is 373. Okay, in the next video, you will see the difference between these scales according to the point of boiling point of water and freezing point of water in each one.
Hey, this is Presh Talwalkar and you're watching Mind Your Decisions. Most of the time, you'll see a big difference if weather is reported in Fahrenheit or in Celsius. Usually, the temperature in Fahrenheit is substantially larger than the same temperature expressed in Celsius. But there are certain cities and extreme weather conditions in which the Fahrenheit and Celsius values are nearly the same number. So this raises an interesting mathematical question about these two temperature scales. At what temperature does the degrees in Fahrenheit exactly equal the degrees in Celsius? We'll start with the conversion that the degrees in Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 times the degrees in Celsius plus 32. We want the degrees in Fahrenheit to equal the degrees in Celsius, so we'll write degrees Celsius for degrees Fahrenheit. We now have an equation in one variable. We'll write 5 over 5 for 1. We now subtract 9/5 degrees Celsius from both sides. We then multiply both sides by -5 over 4. And we get the answer of -40 degrees Celsius is exactly equal to -40 degrees Fahrenheit. If you are in such conditions, like parts of the United States right now, please stay warm. Thanks for watching. These math videos, available for free on YouTube, build confidence for students and inspire mathematical discovery for viewers around the world. They have over 100 million views and the channel has over 1 million subscribers. Please subscribe for free to get the newest videos and email me a puzzle or math topic, presh@mindyourdecisions.com. If you so choose, you can check out my merchandise on Teespring, you can check out my books listed in the video description, and you can support me on Patreon. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support.